Across from our house, we have the sweetest neighbours. They have chickens and they often give us eggs. They have a vegetable patch. They give us vegetables. They tell us to help ourselves if we want lettuce or anything. So I'm going to be making cookies today. This recipe I got off TikTok and I love them, and every time I make them, everybody always says how amazing they are. So I will link the recipe down below, but I thought that I would film making these cookies for my neighbours. I'm just double checking the recipe. I think I have everything. Ah, that's what I forgot. So these are all the ingredients that I'm gonna need. I have baking soda, brown sugar. I'm not sure if I got the right one, but I've been using this and they've been turning out fine. We have butter. The recipe calls for unsalted, but I always use salted just because it's the one I always have at home. Vanilla essence. In here I have salt, eggies, sugar, chocolate chips, of course, and flour. First, I'm going to be measuring out about 170 grams of butter. I'm just going to cut the butter up so it's a little bit smaller. In the new house now we have induction and these heat up so fast. I never knew about browning butter until I tried this recipe, so I had to look up how to do it. And you want to be careful because it can burn quite quickly, and you basically want the butter to turn a little bit brown and it kind of has a nutty smell to it. So once it's heated up, it'll start bubbling, and then soon after that is when it's done. And I find it a bit hard to tell when it's done sometimes. But you can see that it is now turned brown and it has a bit of a nutty smell to it. So important to let this cool down before you do the rest of the recipe, because if not, everything will be very sticky and melted. So I just spent about 30 minutes rotting on the sofa watching TikTok while I wait for the butter to cool. Suddenly I got so tired, so I had to sit down. Let me show you how it's looking. So you can see it's looking quite brown. Alexa, temporizador 15 minutos.
15 minutos. Empieza ahora.
Tenemos que hacer una semana o dos un pastel de limón.
So I gave my neighbours the cookies yesterday, and of course they gave us more eggs and these green peppers that you fry in oil, and they are delicious. She said that she really liked the cookies, that she's usually not into sweet desserts, but she ate 2 in one go. So yeah, they were success.